Pinnacles of Dan, a rugged trail in Virginia's Blue Ridge Mountains, known for its breathtaking beauty and challenging terrain. We took on the challenge, but the trail's overgrowth and unclear markings had us lost in the woods. An adventure we didn't plan for, but one that tested our skills and pushed us to our limits. Alright, we are at the fork right now. Okay, we are going to be taking the trail, and as you can see, it looks like quite a steep one. Let's see how it goes. Okay, the trail really is along the power lines. So as you can see, as the power lines go, we have a very steep trail following it. There are a lot of switchbacks here, but it's quite steep. Hiking sticks, heavily recommended. After some time, the trail seems to be flattening out a little bit. Still a little steep, but then not as bad as what it was near the power lines. Okay, we now reached the ridgeline, and from now on we just have to follow this narrow path and scramble up to the summit. This is how it looks like, and there is a sheer drop on both sides, so both on the left and on the right. So this is how the scrambling looks like. Just climb on top of these big rocks, almost a mountain climbing, I guess. So in between all the scrambling, you also have some path that you can go through. Alright, so at this point it's just scrambling on all fours. Mostly rock, but also a lot of dirt in between, so just keep going, keep pushing. We are going back down for the south stand, and it is a lot of down. I really hope we'll reach here at the end of it, or here to come back up here. Okay. Alright, guess what? We couldn't find our way, so we are coming back on this uphill. Alright, man. Alright. See that path down there? That is where we are going to be going. So just go all downhill, steep downhill, and then you'll reach the path under the electric lines. Alright, we finally made downhill and just strolling our way back to the parking lot. So glad to be here. Lovely place. Okay, we are back at the powerhouse after an epic adventure. I am really glad to be back.